Not too big, not too small. This house is just right. I'm Laurel Guy. We're visiting 411 South Titus Avenue, a downtown Ithaca bungalow with thousands of dollars of improvements and upgrades. It is move-in ready, and best of all, it has waterfront. Live across the street from 6 Mile Creek and Titus Triangle Park. Load in your canoe or kayak and paddle from here to Cayuga Lake. And still, you're close enough to walk to Ithaca Commons shops and restaurants. This Storybook bungalow has been made new again. A brand new metal roof, a broad front porch, and a sweet fenced backyard that has a brand new deck just completed. And look, it has a brand new kitchen. Check it out, an updated eat-in kitchen with a farmhouse sink, subway tile, stainless appliances, and a coffee bar. It opens to the back deck. Also on the main floor is a bedroom or an office, plus a full tile bath. Upstairs are 2 more bedrooms and an updated tile bath. A new high-efficiency furnace and central AC. 411 South Titus Avenue. It's in the sweet spot. What a great location. And it may be just right for you.